Okay, so I'm Chef Lauren. I'm one of the pastry sous chefs here at the Disneyland Resort. Today we are going to be making cherry cobbler pot de crème. You can find this out in the Golden Dreams Marketplace. So today I'm going to be making the cherry compote that goes into the pot de crème. We're going to start with our whole cherries. Put that all right into the bowl here. Get that going. Give it a little simmer. While that is going, we're going to make sure that we don't have any leaves in our sugar. We're going to put our sugar right into the bowl as well. That sugar is going to help us get all of that nice sweet juice out of our cherries for us. We're going to get our lemon juice. In the words of my hero, Ina Garten, fresh is best, but if not, store-bought is okay.
We are growing a lemon tree in our backyard.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice.
For this purpose.
You know what? You guys are making new heroes. And if you do have your fresh lemons, some lemon zest would also be really nice, and that helps that brighten out the cherries. All right, now that we have our cherries going and then we got a good simmer, we're gonna go ahead and put our lemon juice in. Cherry compote or cherry jam, cherry anything would be really nice in that. You can change this seasonally as well. You can do strawberries, you can do fig, you can do blueberries, blueberry lemon. Mix it up, have fun with it. Any kind of compote is really good in this. We're going to grab our cornstarch and water. Little chef term for you guys, it's called a slurry. That's going to help us thicken up our sauce and make that compote. Let's give that a little mix and pour that right in. Right. Now we are cooking. And that's all she wrote. It is easy as that, you guys. You're gonna want to let this cool down to room temperature. Any kind of fruit compote is wonderful in this. So I'm gonna let that cool down and I'm gonna build one for you guys right over here. So in my piping bag, we have our pot de crème. A pot de crème is pretty much kind of like a pastry cream. What you're gonna do, you're gonna pipe, you can scoop, you can bake it and set it. Super, super easy. So I have my layer right here on the bottom. I'm going to take my cherry compote that I made a little earlier. We're going to top that. And then we're going to take our brown sugar oat streusel and just give it a little topping. I like to be a little generous with my oat streusel. I like a lot of texture in my crunch and crumbles. And that is it. There we have our cherry cobbler pot de crème. You guys can find this at Golden Dreams in the marketplaces.
Thank you.
You're welcome.